How to create Paycom account. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to create a Paycom account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Paycom website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here, if you want to create a Paycom account, you just need to request a meeting right here in the top right corner for a personalized demo. And if you click that, as you can see, you will need to provide your contact information and also your company details, and you will need to request a personalized demo. And on that demo, they will show you how to sign up for an account for Paycom. And yeah, after you input all of your contact information, you also need to sign your role. What are your roles if you're a CEO, and etc etc. And also if you have phone number, you need to also input that. And in on the company details, you need to input your company name if you have one, and also your company employee count. If what how employees do you have, you also need to input that. And if you have a international employees, you need to answer if you have one. Also, if you have used Paycom before, you need to answer if you use Paycom before. If yes or no, that's all the answer you have. And also, if you have comments about, or if you want to say a preferred schedule for your demo, you can add it in your comments. And after you're done with all of that, you can just click request meeting. And after you click that, as you can see, there will be a message that says the our representative will contact you soon. And you just need to wait until that person contact you, and they will show you how to sign up an account for Paycom. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can create account on Paycom. And also that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.